How to log into TikTok after ban 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can log in into your TikTok after the new United States ban that has been put on it. So, to log into your TikTok, what you're first of all going to be doing is you're going to be making sure to come to a website called Plugin Chad. Okay, so Plugin Chad is a website that basically allows you to go ahead and easily secure your plugin. Okay, now Plugin Chad, what you're going to do is you're simply going to search up TikTok. And once you search up TikTok, it's going to bring you the TikTok bypass. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it. And right here, it says follow the instructions on the next screen to install. So what it's going to do is it's simply going to ask you to download two applications. And, it's totally safe. It's totally free. And you can easily do that for yourself. Okay, there's no hassle in it or anything other like that whatsoever. And once this goes through, do make sure that TikTok is installed on your phone so it can be properly patched. And I just patched my TikTok. And as you can see, once I go over to it, I can fully use it. Now, once you've done the patch, you can easily go ahead and log in back onto your TikTok easily, just as I have over here. And you can also do different methods like, using a VPN or using a VPN for India, Canada, Australia, places where TikTok isn't banned. But generally, this is how you're going to be logging back into your TikTok after the United States ban. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.